Why do you always sit on my shoulder instead of your perch?
Is it because it's closer to heaven, officer?
Unbelievable!
You're unbelievable.
Hey, pretty lady, are you checking my heartbeat? Because it's racing when I see you. You're ridiculously cute.
Oh my gosh, you're too much. Thank you, little charmer.
Officer, marry me.
You don't have a ring.
I have feathers. They last longer.
I've been on the force for 5 years.
And your biggest case is me? The department must be thriving. You think you're smart? Compared to you, I'm a professor.
Where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
At your mom's house.
I've done this a million times.
A million? And you're still not good at it? Experienced in what, bird murders?
Wow, savage little guy.
No need it for me, man. I'm out of here. I'll bite your stethoscope. That thing could tranquilize a dinosaur. My spirit is already leaving my body.
Oh boy.
Farewell, cruel world. Ugh. Don't touch my chocolate. You smell like cocoa and you're too quiet. You're all guilty criminals.
I feel useless.
Don't say that. You're not useless. You're extra useless. I charge extra for emotional damage.
You stole an engagement ring.
Who would I even propose to? The ceiling fan? Get out of my house!
This is the weirdest shift of my career.
All right, buddy. Describe the suspect for me.
He was tall, but he had a face. And he was wearing clothes.
Right.
Arrest your wife! She's been watching her ex's location all day.
Huh?
What?
Who ate the cake in the fridge?
Baby did! No, he did. Mommy did. Daddy did. Everybody.
You're really snitching on everybody, huh?
Everybody. We're gonna have this support. How can I help you?
I ordered 2 hours ago and still haven't received my food.
I'm sorry about the delay, sir. This is not...
This isn't McDonald's.
No, we're... My order forgot my lunch again. I'm the victim, the hangry one. I demand justice and snacks.
Hold please.
Stay away from my ex!
I would, but you keep bringing snacks.
Truce?
Will you marry me?
I'm 28, baby.
You are expired.
Is that lipstick or a warning sign for my heart? Love is under investigation.
Oh, that's a good one, counselor.
That cup isn't the hottest thing in your hand. You are. And trust me, I've checked the temperature.
Where were you last night at 10 p.m.?
At your ex's house. Teaching her how to move on.
Check your bag.
Bag? What bag? I'm naked.
You stole a credit card.
Don't you think I stole your wife? She's in a car.
We need to give you a bath.
Don't make me look naked in public.
It's just a little rinse, buddy.
Nope. Not today.
It's a small injection.
Small?
I'm dying! Goodbye, cruel world! Tell my kids I love them! I'm dying! Wait, we're gonna put that thermometer. Not today, lady, I promise you.
All right.
Hi, yeah, I'd like to order a large cheese, sorry.
Hello?
Just hello? Wait.
You can't even order pizza without permission. That's why your boyfriend left you.
Flirting with an officer is against the law.
Then arrest me, gorgeous. I'll gladly serve a life sentence in your heart.
Oh, wow.
More trouble. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Oh, sorry, expired.
Guess that's a no.
Dad, Hey, officer, do you have Wi-Fi? Because I need your connection. You can arrest me anytime, but please, not my heart.
You're in trouble, little guy.
Why were you sitting in my chair again?
Because it suits my pants and your career doesn't. You look like someone accidentally opened the front camera. You look like expired Band-Aids.
Wow. Brutal.
You call that singing?
I don't know how to that.
Says the guy who hums like a giant blender.
It's just a tiny prick.
Hi, Nate. That needle's longer than my whole neck. You're not a doctor, you're a sword fighter.
Find the spot.
Find a spot? What is this, a treasure hunt? This man can't find a vein, but he can find a way to send me to heaven.
Got it.
Relax, your hands are shaking. You need this needle more than I do.
Oh, wow. Point taken, buddy.
Why'd you post a photo with my wife?
She said I was the only one who listens. You crossed the line first when you forgot her birthday.
Do you promise to tell the truth?
Objection! I don't talk without a lawyer, and snacks is compensation.
Duly noted.
I'm an American citizen! I have rights! Your badge doesn't scare me!
Easy there, buddy.
Do you know how court works?
You talk for hours and we still lose.
Hook him up to the lie detector.
Hook me up, bro. I am the lie detector. I call it freedom of squawk.
You yell free onions for ugly people at the market.
Then why'd you come running?
Oh!
Ooh, get in, bird.
I don't use a passport. I use my charm for border crossings. And a certified wrist guard.
We don't serve birds here.
Really?
Then explain why your nuggets taste like my cousins. You're one sentence from trouble. One sentence you couldn't write without a spell check and Google holding your hand. Relax, officer. I'm not your suspect. I'm your reality check.
You've got to be kidding me.
Looking for a gorgeous American girl to get my citizenship. Are you available? Ah. Arrest your barber!
That haircut is criminal negligence.
Yo, what? Hands where I can see him, sir. We're taking you in.
Oh, come on.
Open the door. We want to
How
talk.
many are you?
We're two.
Then talk to each other.
Did you eat the evidence bag labeled seeds?
Evidence destroyed, justice served. It was delicious. I have a degree in justice.
Oh my gosh.
Next patient. Bring the cat in for examination.
Hey Milo, how's my favorite feathered guy?
I have a degree in justice. Next patient, bring the cat in for examination.
What? You rehearsed that, huh?